had came up out the trenches, then I had beat a few bodies like Boosie. She said you Merkle, I show you my coochie. I had to sing to this bitch like Latusi. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Man, say man, what's good? It's your boy Zay Fool with that tool. Make your body drool. How could I forget to say that, man? It's the man with the plan, you understand, man. And you know we got them ones and twos, man. Now, hey, first thing first. I know what y'all thinking, bro.
This nigga doing a vlog? Y'all can see his whole face?
Look, man. Let me just say, I hope y'all doing great. Hope y'all taking care of y'allself. Hope y'all doing everything in between, man. This right here, bro, is what you can say. Y'all know what I have on my head. I have, you know, you can call them dreads, you can call them locks, dreadlocks. You know, I guess the proper way to say the shit is locks, you know what I'm saying? In the words of my ancestors, you feel me? So, you know, I've been doing some, I guess you could say some soul searching, and you know what I'm saying? I've decided to go ahead and let these bitches go, you feel me?
I've decided to go ahead and let these bitches go, you feel me?
No, God! No, God, please, no! 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 No!
Now, when I say let them go, I'm not, you know, cutting all my shit off. But what I am gonna do, I'm gonna be getting some Wicks, you feel me? If y'all don't know what Wicks are, I will be putting them on the screen right now. My whole reasoning behind getting Wicks, bro, honestly, bro, is because I'm not gonna lie, bro. Since we've been in quarantine, bro, I've only had maybe about 3 retwists, bro. Honestly, since last March 2020, bro. It is now May 2021, bro. You feel me? I'd rather have like 7, 8 big ass locks in my head and let them bitches grow how they gonna grow, and just put that shit back sometime or put it up and go on by my day. And then you know what's so crazy about it? The good thing about the whole thing is, bro, is that honestly, bro, where I live in Texas, bro. I live in Dallas to be exact, bro. I have never ever seen nobody here in my city with fucking Wicks, bro. So I like to stand out, bro. I mean, why not? You feel me? I don't know how many of my subscribers have dreads or I don't know, or locks or whatever, bro. But you know, back in the day, bro, you know, us black folk used to grow our hair out, and we never, like, you know, we just let it grow however it grew, and that's what made our hair lock up like so. You feel me? You know, look, you know, little history lesson. You know, we used to grow our hair and the shit would lock up. And you know what I'm saying? It will grow all types of wild and whatever. And honestly, bro, that's what we supposed to be doing now. We supposed to be just letting our shit grow out, bro. How it's gonna grow, man. And the most you could do, keep your little edge up, little fade maybe. But you know, nowadays, man, you know, society, when you see something crazy on somebody's head, bro, society's gonna look, it's gonna judge, it's gonna do all that, bro. I have been learning not to give a fuck what people think, bro. You know what I'm saying? And as long as you can keep, bro, as long as you can maintain your shit in some way or form, bro, you good, bro. You know what I'm saying? And honestly, bro, another reason why I want them fat ass locks in my head is because the maintenance is very low, bro. I don't have to do too much to keep it maintained, bro, because I'm not gonna lie to you, bro. I've had these, this is 4 years right here, y'all. I've had these for 4 years, man. This is my longest one right here, I think. I've had these for like 4 years, bro. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, bro. I'm not saying I'm tired of it, but I want to make it easier on myself, bro. Because I got a lot of fucking locks in my head. And I want to just make it to where it's not so many, but they still look good. You see what I'm saying? You feel me? Yeah, man, the process is, well, I already washed my hair out, man. I washed my hair out. In a minute, I'm about to go and get my shit put together. You know, You have to put rubber bands on the wicks. You know what I'm saying? You have to put rubber bands from the root on down to make them even turn into that type of hairstyle. I will put some on the screen so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Shout out to the wick community, bro. Shout out to every last one of y'all, bro. Real shit, man. Because I'm not going to lie, past couple days, I've been watching a lot of videos on that shit, man. Trying to, you know, get some insight, get some ideas, man. So shout out to the wick lock community, man. Much motherfucking love, man. For real. I'm going to leave all the links and all that shit in the description, man. You know, you got to give credit when it's due. Y'all see that right here, bro? Look how Bob Marley's hair is, bro. You see how his shit is just flowing and just doing what it's doing, bro? He never really manipulated his hair. He just let that shit grow. See me, rubber bands, boom. I'ma let it do what it do, bro. You feel me? Put my shit up, and you know, y'all already seen how, you know, y'all already seen an idea of how it can possibly look. And the good thing about this shit is, bro, nobody's wicks looks the same, bro. Like, you know, everybody here different, bro. And, you know, everybody's shit, you know, can look different, bro. So, you know, I'm very, very excited to start this journey, bro, because I'm at a point in my life where I'm trying to just cleanse myself of all the negative energy that I've had over the past couple years that has followed me within my hair. And I know they say the best way to get rid of that shit is to chop that shit off. The reason I didn't chop my shit off and start all over was because, number one, my shit way too fucking long, number one, and I didn't want to lose that shit. Number two, once I start growing my shit out from the root again, like the wicks and shit, I might end up, you know what I'm saying, just, you know, starting to chop a little bit off to you know, just to make it even. But we gonna see how it goes, though. You know what I'm saying? We gonna see how it goes. And with that being said, man, let's get 15 likes on the video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. You feel me? Do all that good shit. The red box on the bottom, you see that? Click the subscribe button because, yeah, just do it. You feel me? But nah, man, y'all click the red box, man. Subscribe. Turn on the post notification bell, man. You will not regret it. You know what I'm saying? I don't never make these type of videos, you know what I'm saying, on my channel, bro. And I know some of y'all like,
why this nigga making hair videos? We don't care about your hair.
Look, man, I'm just letting y'all inside my life a little bit more, bro. You feel me? I'm just letting y'all in more on a personal level, in a way, if that make any sense, man. Shout out to the whole wick lock community, bro. Much motherfucking love, man. Y'all niggas, hey, y'all niggas doing some shit with this shit, man, for real. But yeah, man, like I say, I washed my hair out already. I'm finna go get my shit. I'm finna put rubber bands on my shit. You know, I'm finna, you know, part the shit out and do it. I will see y'all in a minute. Man, say, man, we back. Look, man, y'all see, hey, man, y'all see what we working with, man. Y'all see what we working with, man. You know, you feel me? I got a headband on right now, so you can't really see my sides, but my sides is shaved, though. You know what I'm saying? I'm thinking about growing that shit back, man. Look, I gotta give some, you know, some big ass, special ass shout outs, bro. I know I said shout out to the whole wick community, man. But look, the people I've been watching the most, bro, shout out to that boy Thriller with the motherfucking beanstalks. Shout out to Thriller, man. Shout out to YAHCHINA. You know what I'm saying? Them two niggas right there, them two niggas I've been watching a lot to get some game on this wick shit. Cause I didn't know shit about it for real. Didn't know shit about it. Now, what I do know is that the individual locks, this like you know how you, if you have regular locks, y'all, if you have regular dreadlocks, this shit right here really can't lock. Like from the bottom on down, from your roots on down, this was really gonna turn into wicks for real. But I told myself I'm not finna cut my hair off, so I'm just gonna let it grow, and then when my shit start getting them fingers and shit, I probably just, you know, just chop it off, and as it get longer, you know, I just, you know, chop it off like from the bottoms and shit. depending on how it look, it might look cool. I don't know. But so far, I got 1, 2, see, it's 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7 dreads in my head, y'all. 7 wicks in my head, man. But like I said, man, hey, bro, I'm proud to be making this transition, bro. You feel me? This my favorite one, bro. Maybe because it's my longest one, bro. But it's my favorite one, bro. But I'm proud to be making this transition, bro, because like I said, man, you know, I feel like it was time to make a change, man. I feel like it was time to just do something new for real. You know what I'm saying? I don't see y'all can see my shit a little better, man, because I got the motherfucking lights off where y'all can't see none, man. But yeah, man, let me sit y'all down right quick. As y'all can see, man, this is what we looking like, man. Ignore my dresser, man, or my gaming desk, bro. I gotta clean that shit off. But as y'all can see, bro. I don't know if y'all can see. Let me take my shit off, man. That's what we looking like, man. Feel me? You know. Y'all see how you see how like the roots are, pretty much, man. I know it's 1,000 videos on how to get wicks and shit, but wick dreads and shit on YouTube. But look, man, put the rubber bands in your shit from the root on down. Go all the way down, bro. Hey, man, your shit, just, hey, let them bitches lock up. You feel me? But, let me try to give y'all a lit 360 of my shit. It's gonna be ghetto, but shit. Hey, man, you know, I'm gonna try my best, man. You know what I'm saying? See that shit like that. Yeah. Hey, man, who got Netflix, man? What y'all be watching on that bitch, man? You know, I love horror movies and shit, but I watch a lot of shit. Horror movies, anime, all type of shit. But yeah, man, that's how my shit looking, man. Had to throw my headband back on because my head fat, you know what I'm saying? Can't be showing the forehead off. But look, man, all I use, bro, these black rubber bands, you feel me? You can get them at your local shit, dollar store. You know, you can get them at the beauty supply. They got all that shit. Now look, shout out to that boy Thriller for putting me on. I ain't gonna lie, this probably a work for anybody here, man. Boom, right here. Y'all see that right there, man? Black Castor Miracle Sealant Oil, hair and scalp, bro. Cause I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Sometimes I get dandruff from time to time, bro. It happens. So to keep the dandruff out your head, bro, you know what I'm saying? That oil will keep that shit out. And look, man, no matter what motherfuckers tell you, bro, wash your hair out, bro. You don't gotta wash it every single day, but wash it frequently or wash it, bro. You know what I'm saying? And you gotta think, bro, our hair, and this go for all races, our hair is like flowers, you feel me?
Nigga, you gay.
If you don't put no water on no flowers, bro, your shit ain't gonna grow. I mean, you can go as far as just wetting your hair up when you get up or something, before you go to school, before you go to work, wherever you gotta go. Just, you know, just do something to it, you feel me? But yeah, man, this is the journey, man. You know, you can see my hair is frizzy, man. So like, I'm hoping that I'm not gonna lie. I think my shit might lock pretty quickly, cause I got some nappy ass shit. My hair nappy as fuck. So I think my shit gonna lock pretty good, man. As you can see, some of my hair kind of turned back blondish, brownish, cause nigga be in the sun. Sun did that, bro. But it's my favorite dread. Hey, man, look. Y'all know why I didn't cut my shit off, bro? Look, man. Come on, dog. Look, I'm gonna let my shit wick up all into this right here, bro. It's gonna grow. It's hair, bro, so it's gonna grow. But I didn't want to just cut my shit off, you feel me? But yeah, man, that's what we looking like, you know what I'm saying? You know, we getting wicked up, man. Hey, man, shout out to Florida. Shout out to them Florida boys, man, because you know what I'm saying? They started this shit for real, so shout out to them Florida boys. I think Alabama is big on that shit, too. Shout out Alabama. Shout out Houston. Shout out, it's certain parts of Cali. Shout out Mozzie. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to everybody, man. So look, bro, like I said, man, the main reasoning behind me getting my head like this, bro, is because I'm tired of going to the shop. I don't want to go to the shop no more, bro. I want to let my hair do what it do. And if I'm gonna maintain it, I'm gonna drop them bands on my shit, rubber bands on my shit, and let it grow how it grow, man. You feel me? And honestly, bro, like I said before, I'm at a point in my life where I don't even like care about what people think, bro. And I used to really care about that shit, but dog, it's my look, bro. This is my hair, bro. Nigga, if I wanna dye my hair pink, nigga, I'ma dye my hair pink, nigga. If I wanna put my shit up like some horns, nigga, I'ma put my shit up like some horns, nigga. Y'all can't get discouraged on your hair, man. That go for male or female, bro. You know what I'm saying? If you're trying to get wig locks, man, from regular dreads, because I had regular dreads. Oh, yeah, shout out moms, man. Moms hooked me up, though. But, hey, man, part your shit if you want, you know, clump your shit up. Put bands on the roots, go down, bro, and leave them in there. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna leave these in for like a month, and then next month I take them out, put some new ones in, and keep going like that. But I'm gonna leave my shit banded up though, let my shit knot up for real, and that's gonna be the wig game for me. I might even let, you know, like I say, let these sides grow back for real a little bit and get, you know, one right here, one on the side, like one in the back. But we gonna see how it go though, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, that's about it though, you know. Once again, man, I'm sending everybody much love, support, and all that good shit, man. I hope you're having a beautiful day, a beautiful night. I know this video is different than most of my videos, but as y'all know how I be with my hair in my motherfucking reaction videos, etc., etc. You feel me? But I hope y'all enjoyed the video, man. My name is Zaya Fool with that tool. Make your body drool. You know what I'm saying? Wicks Zay coming soon. Just give me some months, bro. Just give me some months, bro. Like I say, man, I got a feeling my shit gon' lock up. But y'all rate my hair. Do y'all like it? Do y'all want me to make more videos like this of me on the full camera screen, etc., etc.? And yeah, man. Once again, shout out my nigga Bob Marley. Shout out my nigga Kobe. My nigga MJ up there. My nigga LeBron over there. But you know what I'm saying? I gotta get actual post of that nigga though. You feel me? Fuck 2K. I don't play that weak ass shit no more. Share this video. You feel me? Subscribe. You see the red box on the bottom. Click that subscribe button. Turn them post notifications on, please, and thank you. But yeah, man, I'm finna go and get about this thing, man. Message of the day is, no matter what people tell you, bro, always do what you want, bro. Always make yourself happy, man. Always do what's in your best interest, man. Whatever, man. And with your hair, bro, do what you want, bro. You got to, bro. You know what I'm saying? And if somebody don't accept you, bro, fuck them, bro. With a horse dick. With a big ass 20-inch fat, long ass, hairy ass dick. Pause.
Nigga, you get.
But no, for real, man. Fuck them, bro. Do you. No cap. All day, every day. 24/7, 24/8, man. And I mean that shit. Yeah, man, I'm finna go and get about this thing, man. Like I said, man. Hey, one more thing before I go. Man, turn this shit off.
Bye, have a great time.